हाँ शुरू करूँ।
हाँ यार शुरू करो।
अच्छा अस्सलाम वालेकुम everybody, welcome back to Dani J podcast with Ali, Daniel and unfortunately nobody else because आज हसन जो है वो पिछले 12 घंटे से अपने हाइबरनेशन में है और हमने उसको आधा घंटा पहले उठाया था which was very late for the podcast, so आज उसके बगैर हम कर रहे हैं।
And
Let's
is
start
this
with the
the
podcast.
Arabic online lesson?
What? No, I think you might be in the wrong call. This is the.
No. This is the right call. You think you can fool me, ya kalb. So we start with the introduction. I'm Sheikh Abdullah. What are your name is? You there, the Nazarat boy. What is your name?
I am Ali, Muhammad Ali.
Ali.
Yes, Ali. Yes.
Okay. You there with the headphones. What is your name?
I am Daniel, host of the Dani J podcast.
Stop with the shameless plug, ya walad. Ya Halib boy. What is your name?
My name is Uzair Ahmed.
Yeah, brother, you dare mock me, ya Khalil Khara. So we start with.
यार ये कौन कुत्ते का बच्चा आ गया यार, ये अजीब है।
ये कौन है मतलब
اسكت يا ولد. Is this how you treat your teacher? Huh? So we start with the pronunciation of the Arabic language. We start with the first alphabet. Say it after me. Alif.
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 Ya Allah, these kids have no mouth. Say it again. It's Alif, not Alif. Alif. Alif.
आलिफ
Alif.
Alif.
Ya Alif. Ya Alif.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
Allah. Okay, you guys too dumb. So we go straight to Ain because all other alphabet easy, and you know pussy. So say it with me. Ain.
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 Ain. Ain.
Do not speak so loudly. You're not running away from my in-laws. So you guys are too dumb to speak Arabic. Yeah, well, so I will speak the pronunciation in English.
You mean pronunciation?
Shut up, ya Gabi. It's pronunciation.
Okay, my bad.
Ah.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Hell with this lesson, not being paid enough for this shit. What is this podcast you talk about, Nazarat?
It is the Dani J podcast where we, talk to conjures like you.
What is this culture you talk about? Is it good word?
Oh yes, very good, very good.
What is
I thought that,
yeah Habibi, what is your full name and how the hell you come on, I mean excuse my language, how you come on this server, how you find this server?
I'm Sheikh Abdullah Kilodeh. I'm from Qatar, and you trying to fool me, huh? You trying to fool me? This is the
No.
correct server.
why do you sound so African?
I have headphones. I have a fucked up accent. My father was born in the Kumyo tribe in Nigeria, and my mother is Qatari. They did the dance, and I was born.
Dance.
That's it.
That's okay.
ठीक है, so
That was
we
not
we welcome a random Arabic teacher Kilote to our podcast, I guess. हाँ, so यार हाँ, tell me about yourself Kilote.
So I was a wee little boy born in Doha, Qatar. You know, the place where the big sheikhs come and play with their exotic pets and drive big cars.
Big cars. You have Vaddi Lamborghini. You have Vaddi Lamborghini.
I do not know what they mean, but Lamborghini, my brother, that is for peasants. I drive the Ferrari.
What?
Do you have any?
Lafarkhari? What do you say?
ما
يا
في
بيبي.
خرا. Ferrari.
Ferrari.
Ali, why don't you understand the man? He means a Ferrari, you know. He says,
Ferrari. My bad.
don't mock his accent. Come on, man.
Ah,
Acha, anyway,
ah,
Habibi,
what is this?
do you have any pets? Exotic, not erotic.
You mean beds? Yeah, I do have pets. I have
Yes,
a
bed.
baby cheetah. His name is Bazooka Al Kabira. And I had an exotic collection of unique birds. But yeah.
You had?
You had?
Yes, Big Bazooka ate my birds. A big sad, but it is what it is. You know?
Nice.
That he said, yes.
Acha, yeah, Bibi. I see that people in Qatar
Oh,
have.
hold up! Stop! What is this? You mock me? You call me Habibi?
You
I am
are-
your Habibi. I'm your teacher.
Okay, my bad.
I'm
I'm
teacher.
sorry, Titar. Okay, I'm sorry. Acha.
Titar.
Acha, yeah, Bibi, tell me. I have heard many people in Qatar have many wives. So how many wives you have? Yeah, Bibi.
I see you naughty. Yes, I have 16 wives. Very nice woman. Very nice.
Yeah,
Oh,
I see
wait,
very nice.
wait,
I see
wait.
very
Yeah.
nice.
Wait,
Go on.
wait, my
Go
brother. You are allowed to have only 4 wives. What is going out here? You naughty. naughty.
You had followed us. We shall not talk about that. Back to the lesson. So the pronunciation. Oh shit! My wives are fighting. Oh yeah, Allah, yeah. Have to go.
वैसे चला
ये क्या हुआ?
ये क्या हुआ?
Yeah, मुझे लगता है चला गया खिलौते, लेकिन मजा आया.
कहाँ से आया था?
हाँ.
और क्यों आया? क्या हुआ?
I don't know what happened. खैर हाँ ये अजीब पता नहीं
ओए!
कहाँ से आ गया बंदा.
Wait.
Wait, Hassan just joined the call.
Oh.
Wait. Hello,
oh.
boys.
What are you
Hello
doing?
there.
I'm a bit late.
Oh,
Bro,
Yeah,
you
sorry,
bro.
मैं थोड़ा सो गया था तो I got a bit late. क्या हुआ? Why
यार,
you guys
क्या
on?
नहीं हुआ,
Why are you
bro?
guys recording without me?
एक बड़ा अजीब बंदा आया था, उसका नाम है किलोते. उसका हम बाद में आपको सुनाएंगे.
अब्दुल्ला
कभी, लेकिन-
किलोते.
हाँ.
अब्दुल्ला.
यस.
हाँ,
ठीक है,
हाँ.
उसने हमें सिखा
Yeah,
दिया
yeah.
वो कैसे प्रोनाउंस करना है, सही तरह प्रोनाउंस करो.
हाँ, उसने हमें अली
Okay,
का
you
नाम
guys better explain the shit that just happened.
उसने हमें अली का
हाँ.
नाम प्रोनंसिएट करके दिखाया.
Pronunciate.
प्रोनंसिएट.
हाँ.
Again, why are you mocking the Arabic language, man? Come on, you know I come from an Arabic background. Why you gotta do that?
No. अच्छा यार खैर enough with this bullshit. ये हम एक skit कर रहे थे, ठीक है.
ओए, आपको पता नहीं चला हम लोग स्किट कर रहे थे ब्रो, हमें पता ही नहीं था स्किट कब था ये. Oh my god.
Really, huh? Really? यार
Be sure to let us know if you would like to see more of this in the future.
हाँ.
We can come up with some interesting stuff.
हाँ,
Very interesting.
हाँ, मतलब we tried. हमने कहा कि यार क्योंकि पॉडकास्ट में होता ही है कि हम वो बहुत बोर हो जाता है. लाइक हम 11 ऑलमोस्ट एपिसोड्स कर लिए हैं, तो हमने कहा यार कुछ नया करें. एटलीस्ट वी एक्सपेरिमेंट विद समथिंग. तो हमने कहा we'll do this. Uzair came up with the idea, so credit to him.
Yeah,
हाँ.
boy.
हाँ यार, I hope you like this. ये क्या शोका क्या हो रहा? अच्छा.
नहीं,
करना शुरू
वो
हो
दानी को कह रहा है. यार आई एम अप्रिशिएटिंग योर आइडियाज यार, अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था.
Okay, ठीक.
हाँ ये थोड़ा सा क्रिंज होगा. आई नो, बेयर विद मी प्लीज.
Yeah, we totally agree with that. I mean,
हाँ लेकिन हाँ यार, इफ़ यू लाइक इट प्लीज़ लाइक इन कमेंट्स में बताओ कितनी हमारी कमाल एक्टिंग थी। एंड हाँ यार,
I hope you guys enjoy the video, man.
हाँ, EDs, what EDs,
Okay,
bye
bye.
bye, Hafiz.
It is
Hafiz.
what it is. Okay, bye.
हेलो देयर, उज़ैर हियर। हमारी जो रिकॉर्डिंग में से कोई क्लिप्स रह गई थी विच वर अ बिट फनी एंड हिलेरियस, तो हमने सोचा कि उनको भी हम एंड पे एज ब्लूपर्स ऐड करें। सो यस, हियर दे आर, बाय आई गेस। Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Dani J podcast. This is me and Dani and Ali and not Hassan because he's fucking dead. Anyway.
So we start with the introduction. I don't care who you are. I'm Sheikh Abdullah. What are your name is? You there, the Nazarat boy.
My name is Muhammad Ali. What is your
Ali.
name, sir?
Ali, you dumb fuck.
Yes,
I literally just
Ali.
said I'm Sheikh Abdullah, yeah.
अच्छा दोबारा